All right, y'all. So we got the coils and the headers loaded up. Caleb is gonna do them tonight at Midas. We're going back there. That's why I got my temporary exhaust set up for now. I got that done there, like I said in the past video. So coils and headers tonight. Gonna be there pretty late. It's gonna take a while. We're all probably gonna work, whoever comes, but we're probably gonna get it done. I'm hoping so. Because everybody else is just on stall. I've asked other people to help me out on it. Nobody really wants to. I mean, I could do it, but it helps when you have a lift and some hands, doesn't it? My mechanic was like, oh, I'll hit you back this week with a day. So my boy just hit me up. I'm like, you know what? I'll slide at 5. That's cool. So we'll see you guys then. So we out here at Midas. We got Z33 Caleb working. We put him to work, y'all. So we getting the headers in, coilovers going in today and shit. You know what I mean? But this shit's happening. So VCS.
What we doing? Look, hold on a second. Should I tell him?
We got banger in it.
Listen, we out here at 12 o'clock, man. Keep it on the low, man. But we out here at 12 o'clock. You know what I mean? We put in the coilovers. I just got done, my baby. Just put them in. Z33. You know what I'm saying? He's teed as fuck. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so we're not doing the headers tonight, guys, because he couldn't do them. But it's whatever. He's doing the coilovers now. Hopefully we can get them in. So get that. So we're just doing the coils, like I said in the last clip. I don't know if you heard it, but we're gonna have to get the headers done either by High Mile or someone here, but we'll see. But I got a nice fucking exhaust leak right there. Shitty ass exhaust, bro. This is gonna come off soon, but I am gonna leak flames right here, so it might be dangerous, but we're sending it. No, I'm just playing. I'm getting it welded up, bro. I'm not fucking riding like that. It's shitty as fuck. I might just get 3-inch, I don't know, maybe a single exit shitty ass and waste $300 more. Cause I'm a fucking dumbass. Now I'm slamming my shit and my whole underside's about to be scraped up. But I don't give a fuck, man. I don't. Caleb's putting it on and he's getting it right. So look. He's got the front one on right now. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the back one going on right now. So this shit right here, we lowered it one time and it was like really low. Now he put it back. Now it's perfect. So he's about to do that with all 4. And then we're gonna be static boys.
I need my McDonald's. Dude, don't kill him. Let him know. Yo, we need them.
So this is what's up right here. This is bag life. Y'all see
show
it.
him the other side. Come here.
But I'm not even driving like this. Yo, you're fixing it tomorrow, bro?
Yeah. Come here.
All right. That's what I thought.
Come over here.
Fucking 2 in the morning, dude.
2 in the morning. Okay, so the rear is pretty good. It looks nice.
Yo, look, it's 2 in the morning. We're where? We're at Medea's, baby. Look.
I think we could go a little lower in the rear, though. Don't you think?
This is
A little lower in the rear tomorrow?
yeah, Medea's.
Okay.
You fucking Medea.
We in the Mexican spot. This is legendary footage right now. Yeah. 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 He doing that sauce. Look. Look at my man. Working. Tell him what you doing, bro. You working? Okay, he not working. He not working now.
Look at him.
Hey, my boy. He got it.
My safety glasses on.
When trying to cook. Not that big.
He keeps getting in the way. Dumbass. All right, guys, we got Brian out here, man. Mike, TJ, guys.
Yeah, we got TJ.
His 35's right there, but he's all the way over there. We don't know where he is. So, all right, guys. So another package is in. We got the Z1 aluminum undershroud. So as you saw, my car's slammed. So we need this because I'm gonna be scraping everywhere. So protect the oil pan. Got the service panel. And that's it. All right, y'all. So we're going to pick up the 37 now. Hopefully Caleb got it right. Pulling out of the farms.
Should I pull for him?
Yep.
I'm gonna pull it. Pull it up?
Yep.
What are you doing? He's looking at you like you're fucking crazy.
Fucking thermostat leaking, cooling.
All right. What are you doing tonight? What job?
Well, we're getting these welded right here. So, you know, I'm low boy, so great job. But,
Wide pipe welded. All right.
yeah,
And then
leaking a little bit. You know,
What is the single exit again? Ice? What is it?
Flash plate.
Flash plate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and a
New motor in
thermostat.
it,
So
70K.
new motor, he put it in
Himself.
350.
What's he burns? Me and him picked it up. You know what I'm saying?
From where?
Virginia. It's Virginia. dude.
Virginia, and we're in Delaware. So this just shows you the VQ commitment.
Literally the next day we went.
Yeah, this was running in a week.
It's clear what I speak. I got a rap, I'm ready to leave. She dug in my stash, she thought I was asleep. Nigga, bitch, cash from last night we did. Can't come back once we did. If you got Zach, you don't need him. On the hump of that cash, go deep in. My foot on that gas, can't eat him. I'm first at the trap, I'm reeking. What he say? I got this shit in my hand and they want playing, but I understand it. I used to dream, but it's like still famous. Money ain't come till I put my left hand.
So this is the stance right now. Honestly, I think it's perfect. It's lower in the front, I believe, but it's similar. It's just really low. It's great basically everywhere, but it looks great. So obviously if I want to pick it up a little bit when I start drifting, I will, but for now we're just gonna be kind of stanced out, try it, and build up the car. I'm really trying to get a lot of carbon. I want the carbon hood, everything, because I think it all just looks great and it makes these cars transform. I mean, they look great stock, but you know, every stock car eventually just gets boring. And especially if you're a car person, you always want to do something with cars. Y'all, I know y'all get it, but no, this is the stance. I'll get this side too for you guys, and then this is going to be the end of this video. So like I said, please share these videos, subscribe, like, comment, help the channel grow, because there's a lot more content coming, not only for the G37 but just everybody around, you know, this area, and I hope to move out of here soon. Keep this channel growing, keep the content going. Thanks for watching, guys.